Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. We're in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park this evening. It's kind of late on a Tuesday evening after doing some work in the Knoxville area, and I'm on what's called the Cades Cove Loop Drive. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, prior to making the drive, I was able to get in a nice little hike of about 3 miles. And I will tell you, though, that along the Cades Cove Loop Drive, it's a little crowded. It is summertime, so you will need to exercise some patience. Moves along rather slowly. A lot of folks pulling off, checking out some of the sites. You've got several old historic churches. There's some old historic cabins and such, and lots of trails to check out as well. But if you're ever in this part of the world, I do highly recommend you check out Cades Cove. But rather than me continuing to sit here and talk about it, what do you say? We'll flip the old camera around, bring up a little music, and take you on a little drive. Again, it's through the Cades Cove Loop Trail in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. Well, I hope you did enjoy the drive. The scenery, absolutely gorgeous. Way different from what we have out west where I live now, in the fact that it is so lush and green, heavy vegetation in all directions, and the weather actually perfect on this July evening, probably just in the 70s. Humidity's fairly low, so really a great time here. So I want to stress, check out Cades Cove Loop Trail, or the Cades Cove area in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing. You can also donate and encourage people to watch as well, and check out the podcast Love Letters to Pam. Till we see you that next time, have a great day. Better yet, make it a better tomorrow. And bye now from the Great Smoky Mountain National Park.